Colourpop makeup. I've been using Colourpop forever. Some of these products are new to me, some of them are not. The first thing I'm going in with is the Colourpop BFF eyeliner. You can't even see the Colourpop logo on it anymore. I've been using it so long. But when the white eyeliner came into style, I did not like how the white liner looked. But this shade, like, look at the difference. I love it. It just gives a little bit of color, and yes, I do this before I do everything else because I have to touch my face when I put eyeliner on. The next thing is this primer is the hydrating hyaluronic acid primer. I've not used this yet, but it looks like that. I love hyaluronic acid, and I think it's a great thing to put in the primer. It's not tacky at all, but I typically don't need a tacky primer. Let's go with foundation, the Pretty Fresh. As you can see, this is well loved. I've been using this for years. It's a great drugstore primer if you consider Colourpop drugstore. But I'm in the shade Light 60N. And this is one of the few foundations that I have like a perfect match. And it blends so easily, just watch. I know it looks crazy right now. I would say it's full coverage. I don't know what it says. Alright, that's the foundation. I think it looks very skin-like. The next thing is this, what is it, bronze stick. This is very dark, but I think we can make it work. It's in the shade Shell Beach. It's very dark, and I'm putting too much, but that's okay. I guess we can do a little on the nose. I don't typically, but we'll try it. Oh, that blends so fast. Do you see how fast this is blending? I'm barely doing anything. That's cool. Let's see. That was quick. I like that. And then I'm just going to use the blush stick in shade Under Pressure. I feel like I don't even need to blend this. This is a pretty shade. I'm gonna use the same brush, I think. And it's blended. That was quick. All my moms out there, that was quick. Next, this is new for me. This is the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Concealer. I'm in the shade Light 40N. And I typically like my concealer to match my skin tone. I don't think I'm using too much, but we'll see. I put a little bit there. I don't really know what it's for though. I'm just putting some on my eye because I have some redness. That blended out really good. Look at that. Okay. Next, I'm going to use this Melrose palette. Looks like this, but I'm not really sure what kind of look. This palette is new to me. I think let's try On the List. It's this like pinky color just to start, and Colourpop shadows are super pigmented, so I am very cautious when I add them because I don't want to look like a goofball. Which I'll probably end up doing to myself anyways. That's a pretty color though. And I think I'm going to take the one right next to it. It's called Easy Breezy right there. And just put it in the crease. That's nice. I like that. What do you guys think? And then just for a little bit of color, I think I'm going to take Fairfax and just pop that on. It sort of looks iridescent. Ooh. Look at that. Ow. That looks cool. I like that. I learned from someone on TikTok to pretty much pack your concealer in and then wait and let it like thicken up and then powder it and do all that stuff. So that's what I did. That's why I did my eyes. I know I'm gonna get questions, but I'm just gonna buff out any creases. I really like the creator that told me that. If I find her, I'll tag her down below, but she gives great tips for us who are not in our 20s anymore. And I'm almost 40. I'm just gonna take, this is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh powder. Just put that underneath my eyes. Wow, that looks good. I like this powder. I'm going to have some lines. I'm old, but my goal is not to get rid of fine lines. My goal is just to soften everything. I'm just going to take this powder because I like a little bit of glow, but I'm not a glowy girl. Oof. I'm just going to put that everywhere. Alright, next we're going to use this Colourpop Super Shock Bronzer. I've used it before. I'm really digging in there. It likes me today. But it's like a cream consistency and then it goes to powder. Oops, I put too much. Uh-oh. And it walked up. It's very bronzy. Alright, so I blended it out. I like it. It looks really good when it's blended. What do you guys think? I might as well just take my concealer brush and just sort of fix it. And we also have the Super Shock. This is the blush in Digital Baddie Super Shock Blush Matte 23L2. And this one is very pigmented. Look at that. And it's matte. Even though it looks kind of like glossy, but it's like, where are my words today? It's not, I don't feel greasy, if that makes sense. But I am going to take a little bit under my eyes so that it blends. I like it. I'm going to spray a little bit of setting spray. This is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic. The mister is so fine. I love it. I'm going to use a little bit of this Colourpop highlight. This is an oldie, but I really like it. I'm not a huge highlight person. I don't like those. Look, Daniel and Michaela are like two people I love watching, and they love blinding highlights. I really want to, but I don't. I really don't like blinding highlights. I just like a little bit. And I put a little bit right here. I'm just more of a, when I go out in public, you can tell I'm wearing makeup, but this is a lip liner from Colourpop. I've been using this forever. It's in BFF. It needs to be sharpened really bad because I'm cutting my lip. And then we're gonna go in with the Ultra Blotted Lip. This stuff, guys, this is in the shade Double Down. This does not come off, no matter what. I go through my day, and I wish I was one of those girlies who reapplies and, you know, is careful when they're eating. I'm not. I drink all day. Not drink all day. I drink all day. And I'm not careful with my lip products, and this does not come off. And I love the color. I'm gonna spray one more time. This actually feels really good. And then this is what I've been looking for. This is the Level Up Mascara. Look at this brush. I'm obsessed. And this is my first. And I'm actually really bad at mascara. And the same creator that told me about the concealer trick also told me to always do your bottom lash first. And I'm someone who usually gets mascara all over their face, and that trick really helped. That's one shade, one coat. Look at that. And yes, I'm a bottom lash girly. That's only one coat, and that's honestly all I need. But I really like this mascara, and it did not get all over my eyeshadow, my eyeshadow, my eyelids, which is usually what I like to do to myself. It's staying strong. Here's the final look. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know which one of these products you've tried, you loved, you don't love, and vice versa. Have a good day.